Hi guys, welcome to LDFS. A very happy new year. This 2020 has been a roller coaster ride for all of us. May 2021 bring lots of happiness and success in your professional as well as personal life. In 2021, we are planning to launch some online courses only for you. These courses we are planning to be launched in non technical topics like practice management, team building, how to increase walk ins, about your digital presence, etc. Lot many. But for that, we want to know your valuable inputs. We want to know which topics do you want us to conduct courses on, which topics excites you, and for that, we have created a small form which will hardly take 30 seconds for you to fill. The link of the form is there in the description below. It has only two questions. Kindly fill up the form and give us your valuable inputs so that we can give priority to your recommended topics. Thank you so much, guys. Until next time, bye.